How's that for a new intro? What is up people, it's me back again, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create your own professional awesome intro without making use of any video editor. Now trust me guys, if you're not good at video editing and if you're trying to create your own professional intro using softwares like After Effects or Blender or whatever, then trust me, it's not going to work out. I'm not trying to offend you, but I'm just saying it's not going to work out if you are new to video editing and you're trying to make your own intros. So there is a lot more simpler way to create your own professional intro or video animation for your YouTube channel or website or whatever. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own professional video animation or intro online. Let's get started. So first of all, you can go to this website over here, www.renderforest.com, and once you are onto this website, just go ahead and click on video templates. And once you are onto that page, you can find various video templates that you can use for your videos, and you can just preview the video template by just hovering your mouse pointer on the play button over here. And once you hover your mouse pointer or mouse cursor on that play button, it's going to show you the preview of the video in real time, just like this. In this way you can preview any video template you want and you can choose which one is the best for you. If you like a specific video animation, you can just click on it and you'll be taken to a page like this where it will show you the preview of that particular video animation. Right here, just go ahead and click on the create button, and then you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can actually edit the video animation. You can just click on this area over here to choose or to add a customized picture of yours into the video animation. Once you are added this, you can actually adjust your image like this. Once you're done adjusting it, just click on confirm, and then you can add any text you want in this text field over here. For example, I'll be entering my website here, and you can just click on save once you're done. And once you're done with adding your image and adding your text, you can just go ahead and click on this show tools right here, and you can adjust your text and image from these tools. Once you're done with this, you can just go to the color, which is a step 2, and you'll be taken to a page like this where you can actually choose the color you want your intro to be. So you can choose from various colors over here, and you can also go to custom colors and you can choose your custom color there. And then the next step is adding the music. Just click on music, and in this page it will list out all the free music that you can use for your intro. So you can preview the music over here by just clicking on the play button, and you can choose which music will suit the best for your video that you're making right now. And if you like a specific music, you can actually add that music to your video by clicking on the plus symbol right here, and the music will be automatically added to your video, and as you could see here. And if you want to remove it, just click on the cross icon and the music will be removed. And in the same way, you can even add your own music by just clicking on this button, and you can browse to your own music and you can add that to your video. And you can even upload your own voiceover by clicking over here, and you can just click on this record icon to record your voiceover in the real time and apply that to the video that you're making. The next step is click on the preview, and you will see 2 options right here, and you can actually read this text over here. Just click on free preview first, and we will see how our video is going to look like with all the changes that we have made, like all the new image, new text, our own music and other stuff. So as you can see here, it says the video is in queue, and you gotta wait for some time until your video is rendered. So once it says the video is successfully rendered, you can just click on watch to watch it. And this is the customized video animation that we have just created. And as you can see over here, there's a watermark on this video which is dominating the video, and if you want to remove this watermark, just scroll down and you'll find a button, remove watermark. Just go ahead and click on it. So here it shows you different subscription plans in order to remove the watermark, whether you want your video to be in the low quality or in the high quality or in the highest quality. You got to pay that specific amount of money in order to render your video in the quality that you wish. So you can just check out all the subscription plans on the website right here, and you can choose which subscription plan may suit the best for you, and you can subscribe to that particular subscription plan, and you can make video animations like this very simply using this website. So once you have subscribed to any of the subscription plan, you can see that the rendering of your video should start like this, and you can find it in the My Video section like I did here, and your video will take some time to render in whatever the quality you have chosen before, and all that you need to do is just be patient and wait for your video to be rendered. Once the video is completely rendered, you can just download your video by just clicking on the download link which you have right here. So if you just click on that download link, the video should start downloading automatically. So as you can see, the video is downloaded. Let me open it and show you. This is my intro. How's that? So thanks for watching, and make sure you check the description below, because maybe I'll be putting all the promo codes I have in the description below, and I'll be trying my best to give you guys all that I can. I mean, the discount, the promo codes and stuff. So make sure you check the description below, and thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more videos. If you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to use the comment section below. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a thumbs down if you don't like this video. Thanks for watching once again. Cheers.